My name is Tababu. I am from Ethiopia, East Africa. I came here, this company, today to visit. I am very surprising, and I'm very satisfied. The main purpose coming to China was buying the CNC fiber laser machine. I have a lot of choices. I get more sufficient and satisfied, mind-blowing materials I get. So I'm very satisfied with this company. I hope I will work with this company. They give me a good price. They give me a good quality. Their specification is very special. I would like to thank you, all your groups. They took me from the airport and they visit the city. They will take me in the factory. I never expect like this. So I want to say thank you.